Welcome to the digital age, where social media has become an integral part of our daily lives. From Facebook to Twitter, Instagram to TikTok, these platforms have transformed how we connect, communicate, and consume information. The impact of social media on society is multifaceted. On one hand, it has democratized information, giving voice to individuals and communities that were once marginalized. It's a place where movements are born, ideas are shared, and friendships are forged across borders. But social media's influence is not without its challenges. The rise of misinformation, cyberbullying, and privacy concerns are serious issues that demand attention. The very platforms that empower can also polarize, creating echo chambers that reinforce biases and divide opinions. Moreover, social media has changed the face of marketing, branding, and consumer behavior. Businesses leverage these platforms to reach audiences like never before, while users engage with brands in new and interactive ways. Yet the question of mental health looms large. The constant pursuit of likes, followers, and virtual validation has led to concerns about self-esteem, anxiety, and the authenticity of online relationships. In conclusion, social media's impact on society is a complex tapestry of innovation and challenge, connection and isolation, empowerment and vulnerability. It's a reflection of our evolving digital culture, where the virtual and real worlds intertwine, shaping our thoughts, behaviors, and the very fabric of our social interactions. As we navigate this dynamic landscape, the responsibility to use these tools wisely and ethically falls on all of us, for the choices we make today will define the digital society of tomorrow.